Hi guys, thank you for joining this lesson. You have been told to solve for k in the following equation. The equation is 125 into the power of k plus 1 plus 5 into the power of 3k is equal to 630. You have been told to solve for k. Remember, this is under indices. The first thing we have to do is to make them the base, all of them the same base. Let's make 125 to base 5. Becomes 5 to the power of 3 into k plus 1 plus 5 into the power of 3k is equal to 630. Now let's open this bracket and simplify this one. It will be equal to 5 into the power of 3 times k. It will become 3k plus 3 plus 5 into the power of 3k is equal to, since we cannot express 630 to base 5, we will write the way it is. Now we have simplified this one, but still we can simplify this one by remember there is a law of indices that says a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is the same as a to the power of m plus n. Now this one, it's in this form, it's in the form of a into the power of m plus n. We want to make it in this form. Let's do now. This is the same as 5 to the power of 3k multiplied by 5 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3k is equal to 630. Since we have 5 to the power of 3k appearing twice, we let t or any value x be equal to 5 to the power of 3k. This means that where 5 power 3k appears, we replace it with x. Now our equation becomes x multiplied by 5 power 3 plus x will be equal to 630. Now we have, since we know 5 power 3 is 125, this becomes x times 125, which will be equal to 125x plus x will be equal to 630. Adding 125x plus x and x will be equal to 126x. This equal to 630. Divide both sides by 126 on this side by 126. Now you will get x will be equal to 5. Now we got the value of x, which is 5, and remember that we let x to be equal to 5 power 3k. Now you say 5 power 3k is equal to x, which we have gotten is 5. Remember, if something a whole number, it's obviously to power 1. Now this becomes, and remember that if there's a law that says if the bases are the same, for example, if you have a power n equated by remember that there's a law that says a to the power of n is, if a to the power of n is let to be equal to a to the power of m, you say if these powers are the same, then n is equal to m. Okay, now this means that if, since 5 and 5 are the same, 3k will be equal to 1. Now k will be equal to, divide 3 by both sides, will be equal to 1 over 3. Thank you for listening. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.